All right, it's now nighttime here in Warrensburg, and I have my new LED lights as well as my trailer tag light, which is also a LED light, installed, and we're now checking it out. These are much brighter. Gina, do you see that white? You see the white light under there? You know, that was where they originally had the tag, the plate for the license tag. And so they put that white light down there to illuminate the tag. But I moved the tag over here, so I had to buy a light to illuminate the tag over here. But that's why the white light is over there. You ready to try it out? You want to hit the switch, turn signal. If you hold this, I'll hit turn signal. Okay. Huh? Oh yeah, I didn't put those on. They were already there. I didn't mess with that. There were kits if I wanted to install LEDs on the sides as well. There was a kit for that, but I was more interested in the rear tail lights. Very good. Do it again. Again. Do it again. Very good. Excellent. All right. Outstanding. This is Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Having some fun. Peace out.